Hi, hello everyone. Welcome back to my YouTube channel again. And now we will have our new unboxing from Shein. Um, Before we continue our vlog, let me first to introduce my channel, Margie Olvida. Don't forget to hit the notification button bell so that if I have upload every time that you can alert it. So and now guys, I'm excited. So this is from Shein, and let us open this one, the first this one. So this is a lace, another lace lingerie. So underwear. Tcharam. Um, this one, we have three any color lace lingerie. So one is black. So let uh, see the front. So the this is a lace underwear. Yeah, and this is also is elastic because what we call with this garterize. Yeah, yeah, and the back. Look at the back. The back. Yeah, and so the size is medium. The size is medium. And the next is color blue. Yeah. Same style lace underwear. I love I love this color, light blue. Yeah, look at. So the size is medium. And the next is white. Wow, it's very nice. So nice. And look, very nice. And the next is uh, navy blue. Wait. Tara! I love it, guys. Look. Look at the back, guys. Look, the back. And you can also, if this size is small for me, I can adjust this here. See? So to make it ano, look. Um, I like this color, navy blue. This is navy blue color. So nice. Look. This size is medium. Medium size. So if you guys if you have any request, just comment down below, and I will yeah, if you have any request guys, just comment down below. And so very nice. I love this color. Thank you for watching.